welcome back to this channel. In today's video, we have this AJ Audi TT, and we're going to be doing some repairs on it and also some upgrades at the same time, because as you can probably see, the rear suspension is broken. Obviously, it's sitting a lot lower than it should do from the factory. Reason being is that actually both the rear coil springs have failed on this car. So instead of installing new OEM springs, the customer has decided to upgrade. He's not only decided to upgrade the springs, but also the dampers at the same time, because if the springs are broken, obviously the mileage of this car, the dampers are going to be well beyond their best as well. So we're going to be installing the AST Lowering Springs. So that's going to lower the car from the factory ride height. Obviously it's not going to be as low as this, so it's going to raise the rear up a little bit on the broken coil springs and then drop the front slightly as well, and also improve the handling with that sportier spring weight. And then replacing the factory dampers with the BILSTEIN B8 units, which are a little bit more powerful than the factory ones and closer match to the upgraded spring rates of the ASTs as well. So the car is going to drive completely differently than what it did as the customer dropped it off, obviously with the coil springs being broken and the dampers being knackered as well. So we might find some other things to do as we go through this repair process, and that will also be shot in the video. If you want to install a kit like this on your car, we've actually got them on the website ready to go with the B8 dampers and the AST springs. But for now, let's get the car in the workshop and jump into it. The Audi TT is all finished and we've got it out here in front of us. As you can see, the ride height is much better now that we've got some springs in the rear that actually work. And also the car had some aftermarket suspension fitted, which is in really questionable condition. So really good that the springs broke when they did, because now we've had the opportunity to install some upgraded dampers to restore the damping back to the car, and also some springs with more optimized spring rates that are in one piece as well. So the BILSTEIN dampers, again, are more powerful than the factory dampers and will definitely be better than what was on there already with like a no brand suspension. And the lowering springs as well from AST drops down the ride height by about 25mm at the front, and 20mm at the back. So you still get a nice amount of ground clearance. So you can still drive up and down, like on and off ramps, over speed bumps, things like that. But you still get a nice little drop in arch gap, which is what you can see here in front of us. So road holding's better, the aesthetics a lot better, and also the ASTs have a lifetime warranty against braking as well. We've actually packaged these B8 dampers and AST springs for these particular cars. So if you want to find that package, you can go down into the description on our website now, and you can get those ordered up. But for now, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't done already, then give us a thumbs up. If you want to watch some of our other videos that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you want to watch some other videos in the same playlist, then click here. And if you haven't done already, then hit the subscribe button right here.